going on down to Party Town. I'm live right now, waiting on you. Welcome, people. We're live. We're live on YouTube. How are we looking? Well, guess what, sir? I'm Chris Mitchell's intern. I'm the junior technical analyst here at Bitcoin Advisors. How's everybody doing tonight? We're going to get started real soon. Any special requests before we get started in the video? We're looking at cryptocurrencies. We're looking at NFT coins. We're looking at all of the above. It's Yo Bovian. How you doing? Drop a live. We're live on TikTok and YouTube here. Drop a comment. We got all of 6 people here. We need to get more people in before we can get started. Okay. So, any particular coins we want to look at today? We're looking at Bitcoin right now on the 4-hour time frame. What coins do we want to look at today? I mean, we're going to be going over some news. There was just some economical news. Jerome Powell made a statement yesterday. We're going to be talking about that today. We're also going to be talking about all of the hottest altcoins. If there's anything that you want us to take a look at, please let us know. And don't forget to join the Discord, guys. We need more people in our Discord server. We're giving out free trade signals on a daily basis.
Let's do this. Party time. Party to the upside.
We got Mr. Chris Mitchell here. Can we look at AGIX?
All right.
It looks like we hit an all-time low on that. Let's look at AGIX. Do we have it on here?
Yep, I'll get in there.
All right.
Oh, it's time. It's time. I had to get some coffee, guys. I hope you guys are ready to rumble. New all-time low. Let's dive into some. Let's dive in deep to the cryptoverse. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. All right, here we go. AGIX. What up? It's Yabovian. All right. I was looking at this one. I wanted to put a short on. A lot of these coins are going to get wrecked as Bitcoin is getting wrecked right now. AGIX looked horrible, and I want to see some old price history. Does anybody know what exchange has the longest price history for AGIX? Let's see if it's this one. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. That is looking droopy, sir. So, what do we want to talk about on this particular? What's up, Bieber? What is up? Welcome back. Welcome back. Odie, D-Rock, what up, guys? Throw us a little love on the likes there. Spread it out to your friends if you do enjoy the content. I'm going to give you out a free winner chicken dinner trade right now. And this, let's see if the 3-day, the 2-day just closed. Nope, nothing closed today. So this is typically where your higher lows are going to come in. So we're kind of in some bouncy territory, but here's what I would say is if Bitcoin does take the downside move, here's the next target for Mr. Fetty Wap. No, this is AGX. Let's check out Fetty as well, and we will take a look at Bitcoin, Mr. Bieber, as we had a nice trade set up. Hey guys, do me a favor, share your live stream and encourage your friends to join in, your crypto friends. If you can, don't forget. But yeah, this looks like a pretty massive channel here that is breaking to the downside alongside Bitcoin. So here's what I trade based off of trend, momentum, and volatility. When volatility is increasing, you expect the price to go in the direction of the trend. This is the daily. So as this crosses down, that would have been the official cross to the downside. Had you taken the sell right there, well, as you can see, very, very nice move to the downside. Also, you notice the RSI losing the exponential and now dipping into the bearish control zone. So what often, oh yeah, that's a nice sell signal on the 2-day as well, as we're getting kicked out of the bearish control zone. And what am I seeing right here? 1, 2 drives of bearish divergence. Nope, not quite. Yep. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So actually, I am targeting a move on this asset, Mr. It's your boyvin. Targeting a move down to, call it 26 cents on AGIX. I think that's fair. That's fair. We revisit the highs right here and see if we can hold this area on the 2-day time frame. Thanks, Mr. Bieber. Thanks for doing that. We love to get some support from our fellow friend, Mr. Justin Bieber himself. Can you guys believe Justin Bieber's on our show? I just love it. Love to hear that. Anyways, yeah, so here's a target for you on this as well as this. So again, what I'm going to point out here on the 2-day, which is a powerful time frame, you can notice, what do we have here? 2 higher highs, right? Clear stop and reverse, and this one's going to take a leg down. And here's what. So here's a high, and here's a high. So what's going to happen here? And this is the 2-drive philosophy, which already got the move down to the yellow 21. I think we called that out the other day. But I'm going to leave. These are going to be my green lines of peace and prosperity and death and despair. Targets to the downside as Bitcoin is playing out. What, Jerome Powell basically did was spank the markets here. He absolutely spanked the markets. And he said basically, yes, we're going to continue to raise rates. We're going to raise rates, and 5.25 is on the table. Let's check it out on the CME futures pricing tool. So going into that Fed meeting 2 days ago, it was, now it's an 80% chance we're going to get 50 basis points. What is the federal funds rate? Federal funds rate. Let's see if we can get a nice little graph here. New York Fed funds rate. Let's see, this should be it. There it goes. So what we can do here is just take a look at when they raise interest rates, what happens to the market? Well, this was ahead of the 2008. Interest rates went up to 5.25. So that's where they're saying rates are actually going to go all the way up to 6% this time. We are currently at 4.75. This is not forward looking. This is here is a link. I wonder if I can post this in the chat. Can I post in the chat, in my own chat? I don't know if you can do that, Joseph. But post it, yeah. Oh, check that out. So I was just on the morning answer. I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna throw this up here. This is pretty cool. Oh. This is our YouTube channel. Oh. Yep.
And I'm Grant Stinchfield.
Let's play it a little faster. What up, Crypto Gambino? Yep. Check this out. I was on the radio being interviewed about Bitcoin. Check it out.
I'm going to just fully acknowledge that Bitcoin confuses the heck out of me. I don't know what it is. I want to know. I think there's an opportunity to make money here. We need to know. So what is Bitcoin for people who are confused?
What is Bitcoin?
Question. A lot of people ask me that.
Yeah.
Check this out, guys.
$10,000 in Bitcoin 2 years ago. Today it's worth $86,000.
Oh, people are making tons of money from it. So that's why I need to know.
Even more impressive, if you put 10,000 in Bitcoin 10 years ago, today it's worth $60 million. And that's what it really. Why didn't I do that?
I know.
Right? And part of my career, part of my story, someone told me to buy Bitcoin when it was $100. Actually, it was this kid sitting in a cubicle right next to me. He said, "Hey, you got to buy Bitcoin," and I laughed.
All right, enough of this. If you guys want to check out the full interview, just go to our YouTube channel and check it out. We got 12 people up in here. What up, Crypto Gambino? Any coins? Any coins? I think there is some money to be made here, and that is if you know how to short the market. Hey, I'm going to show you a trade I'm running right now. A short on VRA, which I've also posted in our Discord, I believe, under our chats today. Free Discord memberships right now. And this would have been, that's Bitcoin. That's the one I'm looking at right now as well. And is this, oh, that's Illuvium. This is another one I had. We'll check in on that as well. So if you want to join the Discord, you can get some free access to some trade setups, ask questions. We've got a bunch of Bitcoin advisors here that would love to kind of sink their teeth in. And, what's the best way to be a better trader is to teach other people how to trade, right? So, Justin, all right, so I'm going to get into the Bitcoin for you as we just gave a target on IGX. We should just start posting all these things in here. I'm going to do a screenshot right now. Let's see. Boom. Nope, that's the wrong one. That's not what I wanted. Cancel. Okay. Here we go. Boom. Screenshot. Target. And I am going to post that in the Discord when we're done. All right, next chat. It says altcoin can be completed. Action can't be completed. Joseph, which I'll check this out here on the Discord. I'm not a Discord professional, but this is why I've got the Black Larry David, the once and only, the famous Black Larry David. You can jump in on that Discord. And, hey, we even had one guy named Petey who joined Discord for the first time ever. This is him. Oh, look. Oh, sorry. I'm going to put that back. And anyways, he won a T-shirt yesterday, which is cool. If you, all right, so I'm going to get back into some crypto. And here's the current trade setup on Bitcoin. Oops. Current trade setup on Bitcoin is just like this. So we were talking about it as we broke the 4-hour range way up here, right? And now we've been saying, hey, look, pressure is onto the downside. We got the death cross, which these death crosses are nice to be aware of. That is when the 50-day crosses the 200-day exponential. That is a death cross. Now, what is a golden cross? Well, when the 50, I use the 55 in the 200. This right here, this was the last major golden cross on the 4-hour time frame, which is a rather powerful time frame. Look at that golden cross right there. Beautiful. And what you want to see very similarly is price action to come in close to the cross, right? Which that's what we had right there. Maybe I should sit up a little bit. I don't know. I'm trying to get comfortable here. What's up, Andre? Welcome to Bitcoin Advisors channel where, yes, we are Bitcoin advisors, right? Like a financial advisor. No, we got these cool hats, right? We got a bunch of guys sitting in the back office. They have visors on, Bitcoin advisors. And we help people come up with a investment strategy for crypto. And you can put it in a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA, or you can just follow the YouTube channel and do it yourself. What's up, Junior? Welcome to the cave here. Welcome to the crypto cave. Where I gotta turn off the heater, it's getting hot, and I'm glad I got my coffee tonight, guys. All right, so I think I've done enough chatting around. And I'm going to get into it and review the day. So massive descending triangle, and we're playing out nicely to the downside. I would suspect, well, here's how we get the measure move off of this again, guys. This is a ascending triangle. And look, the best way to learn how to trade, guys, in my opinion, is to set up a trading view account. What's up, Brian Pott? What's up? Welcome to the cave. The best way to learn how to trade is to set up your own TradingView account just like this. And how can you do that? Well, you can go to bitcoinadvisors.com and go to our resource center. Scroll down and click on this video right here. It will teach you how to do it for free. I guess we can't give away much. So you learn how to do that. You set up TradingView just like this. You'll get the RSI, the stochastics, and the BBWP. That is the Bollinger Band with percentile. Now, one thing, the way this indicator works is it's direction neutral. Direction neutral. So, one thing to know is in cryptocurrency land, volatility is sure to come, right? It's one of the most volatile assets in the world. Expect 80 to 100% volatility. And when volatility expands, price should go in the direction of the trend. Doesn't always go, but 9 times out of 10, it's going to go in the direction of the trend. What's up, George Ramirez? What's up? Welcome to I got to figure out a name to call this place. Where are we? Are we in the Twitterverse? Are we in the TikTok-verse? Sounds so awful. I've been a big proponent of not TikTok, but look at this trend line just held in there. Now I'm a fan of TikTok. I like it. I personally don't. The Bat Cave. Yes, sir. We should call it the Money Cave. We're going to come up with a name for it, guys. But for lack of a better term, what are we here for? We're all here to learn how to trade and make money. And again, the best way to become a better trader is to get TradingView, start there, and then start tracking along with us, right? Every day, just do 5-10 minutes. That's all you got to do is watch the video, the YouTube, and then try to follow along using the drawing tools. Like this is the drawing toolbox. It's pretty simple. And then once you get the hang of it on how to navigate around TradingView and how to draw a trend line and do all the basic stuff, it's not rocket science. And then we use other indicators like the dollar, right? And this was our target on the dollar. And again, another snapshot I'm going to take here. Excuse me, guys. What's all the core apes. Corium stuff I've been seeing, if it's legit or not. I've never heard of Corium. And 9 times out of 10, if it's not Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's just a shit coin. So don't put your life savings into it. Better off to short that thing to the downside. But here's the U.S. dollar, and we did say with any kind of a daily closure above this pivot right here, which did we get a daily closure above here today? No. We got a 4-hour. We did get a daily above. This is a indecision candle. This is called a doji candle, which, by the way, I'm going to give out something else free if we get a few more visitors in here, guys. We need to get at least 50 people in here. For some reason, so I'm doing the chat, the live stream from my... I'm doing the live stream right from my computer. All right. Let me check out what is corium? Corium. Cream. I'll check it out. Corium. Let's check it out. Oh. Big girthy candle to the downside, and here's what I'll say about this one. Momentum of the downside, volatility is increasing on the daily. I'll give you a target for this one right now. Measure move, descending triangle. Let's see here if we do... tag, I mean, minimum right here. So to be fair, we'll put your target right there. Another snapshot. So I need to continue to do these. So boom, snapshot, finish. Okay, I'm going to start posting all these in the Discord. So you guys, somebody commented yesterday. They commented, oh yeah, do you keep track of your predictions, sir? Well, I'm gonna start keeping track of them. And again, this is just after looking at charts for thousands and thousands and thousands of hours. Yeah, buddy. On the live in the morning, we get a nice little following. Traders Reality on YouTube. Yeah, Traders Reality. I like him. He's got that. Very Australian voice. Shout out to Traders Reality. What's up, Mr. T? Welcome to the Bat Cave. No, we gotta. Joe, what should we call it, man? Joe. We got to come up with the name for the live stream cave.
He said it's the Bat Cave.
This ain't the Bat Cave.
Not the Crypto Cave. Somebody already has that.
How about
we're gonna call it?
Kana, what's the name? Crypto Church.
The Church of Not Wokeness. The Church of.
Be awake, Bitcoin. Not woke. Be awake, not woke.
The Church of Bitcoin. That's what they're going to call it.
No. That's too much for me.
Mr. T says I'm new to crypto.
Mr. T, what up? Gorin, what up? Mr. George Ramirez. Hey, don't forget, check out our TikTok. Our TikTok channel is dope. I mean, absolutely. No, somebody already got that. We're going to come up with something, Mr. Bieber. Let's log into. How can I log into this? Is it gonna not remember? I don't want to put my phone number up here. Well, I can do it on another screen here. Okay. So, anyways, there's a TikTok. I'm gonna be. Let's start talking some coins, Sticks. Crypto Nights. Yo, what up, Sticks? Welcome to the not to the crypto cave, sir. We're gonna come up with a name for this place. Oh, look at that. YFI just getting stuck in the dirt.
Urine finances,
Yearning for a burning, sir. And we did call this one out. I mean, way up here as this. Look at this thing broke here. By the way, you can see how this rising crypto church. You know what that reference is, sir. But look at this, how close.
Crypto Gambino for the weights. Yes, we're getting yoked at the.
We're getting yoked,
at the
sir.
gym of
Getting
the
sent
Bitcoin,
weights, baby.
Check out
Original Sir Jajan. All right, so let's jump in here and we're going to take a look at. All right, so this one now when bounce, right? When bounce. And here's something to note. A lot of people think when the stochastic gets way down here in the critical zone, oh, it's oversold. It's oversold. No. Well, this, to be fair, is probably oversold. Look at the last time YFI was ever this low in the critical zone. I mean, on the 4 hour, almost never. Hey, happy International Women's Day. Do we got any women in the house? Any women crypto traders out there? Probably not. So again, CME Fed watch tool way up there. I'm going to close that down. I'm going to check out VRA. Here's a simple little trade I am running on KuCoin, a little levered trade. We're up 8% right now, and my take profit is right there. I am not running a stop on this one, which is something I do not recommend. I do not recommend you do that, but I'm trading with some confidence right here. Maker. All right, let's check out Maker. Somebody give me a coin. Give me a coin to look at. I just want to yeah, so this one has some more room to go on the daily time frame. This is a big bear. I would say this gets continuation, at least down to that level. Let's see where the fib is at on this guy. So we just broke below the 618. This one's going to come down at least to here. All right, let's throw that target on here. Boom. I hate to be throwing targets out like this. And after a major, I'm going to take this one back. Scratch that. I'm not confident in this one. It could get a bounce at this point. It's already played out most of the move to the downside. ZRX. All right. Dark Punk 13. Maker first and then Dark Punk. Want some ZRXy token. Maker. M-A-K-E. Which I actually like this highly esteemed piece of internet technology. MKR. Is this right? Maker. Yeah, that's it. That is not the Maker I was talking about, but MKR on Binance. And guys, if you want me to look at a token, throw down the token and okay, this one's got a decent setup for a little more downside. Here we go. And I'm not just a bear, guys, but this is classic hidden bearish divergence, 3-4 drive variety, and I would suspect a nice move down. So, okay, here we go. Here we go. Get ready. Get ready to learn something. So we got this high right here. I'm going to mark it off with the vertical right here. Boom. Okay. High there. And then we got a higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drives. 6 drives alongside, remember, Bitcoin rules the market. Okay, whatever Bitcoin does, the rest of the market is going to do more when it comes to altcoins. But Again, this is classic bearish divergence. Just regular old bearish divergence. Perpetual protocol, please. TY. Yeah, I'll check that one out. Next one. All right, so multiple drives, and this one, I'm going to put a target down here. And this is confirmed in my book. We took out this wick. Momentum's crossed to the downside. Volatility is beginning to wane here. So this one did have a good run, to be fair. I mean, from the low to the high, 93% over the last, since, call it December. This one had a decent run, just like most altcoins. I mean, this one didn't do as goat. But this, alongside this. So I'm going to say target on this one right here. Boom. Boom. And I'm going to take a picture of this as well. Posting it in the Discord. Finish. Boom. All right. TRY. Let's get going a little faster here. Let's pick up the pace. TRY. We want to have some fun. Guys, throw some coins in there. I don't see TRY. TY. TRY on Bitfinex. Okay. No? I'm not getting any price action on this one. Sorry. TRY is not coming up with anything. Oh, maybe that's it. TRY USDT. TRY. Garbage. Don't touch that with the 100-foot pole. ZRX. That's the one. Sorry. ZRX. This one I've heard of. ZRX, USD longs, Bitfinex, OKX, perpetual swap contract up. Come on, let's get some good coins in here today, guys. Bearish. Volatility's up. Stokes are down, getting in the bearish control zone, bearish divergence. So price is making higher highs. RSI is making lower highs all the way down. And I would say we got more downside. And boom. To be fair, where does it get? So where's the target on this one? Let's do a quick recap here. Boom. Wow, that's pretty far down. But I guess let's put it out there. Let's throw it out there. Let's take another picture on this one. ZRX, that's a big one. I mean, I don't know if I can stand by that one. That one, I'd probably want to front run it and say, let's take a look. Let's put the target right there. Okay. Boom. Boom. All right. Sent March. Thanks, Cryptogram. Bino, thanks a lot, man. Bought 0.4 ETH, sold at 0.30. Dark Punk. Breaks 21 to buy more. I'm not sure what coin you're talking about, sir. Oh, this is probably ZRX. Okay, 19 people in the chat. What up, guys? Welcome to Bitcoin Advisors channel. We are going to go through all the rest of my favorite coins because I don't see any more requests here. Thanks for the pizza, sir. And let's talk about some coins here. Some other coins that I like to look at. DYDX. Oh, tough times, sir. Tough times. The market is unraveling here, and it looks like our overall target for Bitcoin is going to hold up. Now, here's what I'm going to talk about. What's important tomorrow is, wow, my eyes are starting to hurt, guys. What's important tomorrow, XRP. All right, let's take a look, Mr. Gambino. What do you think of Medicaid pre-sale? Make him take him once to just know. Caspa Baby Dodge. Baby Doggy. Okay. DYDX is a decentralized exchange. And here's the target on this one as we just broke the range to the downside. Pretty much target hit. I don't know if I'd put anything left in the tank on this one. This one can have strong reversals to the upside, but I guess if you did want to find a target on this one, look, these higher term time frame volatilities are going to take over. Oh, look at that, 5-day. Bleeding it out, bleeding it out. And conservative targets have already been met. So here's what I would say. Look, if Bitcoin does take the route south, which based on the 3-day volatility just beginning to increase, momentum's to the downside, getting kicked out of the bearish controls or the bullish control zone. Here's another thing to watch out for. CME gap coming in here at 20,500. This is where the professionals like to trade. This is where these guys like to have fun. See, perpetual protocol. What is perpetual protocol, please? Baby doggy. What's up, sir? I'm not sure what perpetual protocol is. I'll give it a shot. Perpetual. Maybe this is it? Ah, there it is. Bitstamp. Boom. Got it. Down 5%. Another shiz coin off to the moon, but looking. So this is bearish. This is not, you know, again, despite Bitcoin, whatever Bitcoin does, altcoins are going to do more. Daily, I mean, this has no liquidity. You can see on the chart here, Bitstamp, a bunch of gaps in price like this. And it looks like there still is, no, I would say this gap got filled, but I can't make much out of this chart because it looks like this. Volatility is now declining and momentum's to the downside. I mean, you're probably looking at something like this, but I wouldn't be confident on this one at all. Let's check out Ethereum. Ethereum holding up relatively well, but this is all but confirmed as a double top. And where's the target on Ethereum, guys? This is a good setup for a big move, guys. This is either going to go up or down. You know, I can say that with certainty. And here's the range I'm looking at on the 5-day time frame. You can see this does line up perfectly with this wick right here. All right, bold call to the downside. Where's the invalidation come? If we close back above the 382 right here. So here's my invalidation point right here. So if you had to market enter in, I don't like this setup very much, but if I had to call it, invalidation coming in at 1644, and I would probably even put it a little bit lower. Actually, let me just check out this one other indicator. Yeah, that is right where I have it at the 382 right here. So, yep. Oh, this lines up perfect. Ethereum's coming down. Down, down, down to doggy town. All right, XRP. XRP, and I'm getting tired. It's time for dinner. It's 6 o'clock. We got 3 minutes left. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Link in the description below. I threw out a YouTube. This morning I made one at 4 something a.m. just to bring it to you guys live. Sent a chicken leg. Dude, I don't even know what those are. We got chicken legs. We got pizza. We got March. XRPP. All right, XRPP, what are we going to do? Let's check him out. Ooh, nasty. So, a little bit of a different picture here, in fact. Oh, yeah, XRP had some kind of a win against maybe the lawsuit. I don't know. I don't know what the news on this one is, but I'm going to put back on my normal charts here. Wow, XRP looking bullish. Oh, I need some more coffee here. Bieber, have a good night yourself, sir. Thanks for joining us, Mr. Gambino, Mr. G-Max, Mr. Dark Punt. Thank you guys for joining the show. And here's what I would say about XRP. I don't trust it, sir. I'm not an XRP fan. I'm not in the XRP army. But I do like that Brad Garlinghouse is putting up the good fight of faith with the SEC. And technically, if we can close it daily above this trend line, I'm looking for a run up here. This does look bullish. Volatility is expanding. 3-day time frame, not so bullish. Getting stopped at the green 55 here. And where does the invalidation on this one? A bit of a top right there. So bearish divergence, and very, very likely if Bitcoin does take the downside move, this one is not going to hold up. Maybe it gets a short-term bounce here, but I don't see much of a future if Bitcoin does take that overall leg down. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. I hope you guys have a blessed and highly, highly favored day. And I look forward to catching up with you guys next time. I'll try and do another live stream tomorrow, 5 p.m. Pacific time. Take care. Signing out. Bitcoin only. It's not. No, I recommend having an investment strategy. If you don't have an investment strategy, well, then you do not have, then you might as well go to Las Vegas. You might as well play around in Las Vegas because you're just playing around. Other than that, Bitcoin long term, I do think Bitcoin is like digital freedom. I like Bitcoin and the community. I like a lot of the, I'm not a Bitcoin maxi. I'll sell my Bitcoin tomorrow if I think it's the right thing to do, right? But I don't have time to get into my top holdings today, Mr. Gambino, but check in tomorrow and we'll go over some more in detail. All right. Have yourself a blessed evening, and I'm going to sign out now if I can figure out how to end this live stream. Boom. Boom. Joe.